Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can disable JavaScript in Microsoft Edge. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you want to click on the three dotted button up here. Then you're going to want to click on Settings. Then you're going to want to click on Privacy, Search and Services. Then you're going to want to click on Site Permissions. Then you're going to want to click on All Permissions. Then you're going to want to click on JavaScript. And you can either just turn off JavaScript entirely for everything, or you can add websites you want to allow JavaScript on, and websites you want to have JavaScript disabled for, if you want to. If you need to re-enable it, you can click on the toggle button here, and that's all you have to do to disable JavaScript on Microsoft Edge. So thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.